In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use row-level formulas in Salesforce reports. By the end, you'll know how to add a calculated column to a report so each row shows its own result without changing any underlying data. Start by logging into your Salesforce account. From the home screen in Lightning, open the app launcher, the grid icon in the top left. In the search bar, type Reports, then click Reports to open the report's home. Here, click New Report to start from a fresh template. When prompted for a report type, choose Opportunities. This tells Salesforce which fields and records you'll be working with. Then click Start Report to open the report builder. In the builder, look for the Column Settings panel. Click Column Options to access features for adding and customizing what appears in your report. From there, choose Add Row-Level Formula. A row-level formula is a calculated field that evaluates for each individual row of your report at runtime. Think of it as a temporary column you create on the fly. It doesn't write back to your database. It simply displays a result per record based on other fields, functions, and logic you define. Give your new formula column a clear name so teammates instantly understand its purpose. If helpful, add a short description to document what it calculates and when to use it. Next, set the formula output type to date, since we want this formula to return a date value. Picking the right output type matters. Salesforce uses it to control how results are formatted and which operators are allowed. Now choose Close Date from the list of available fields to use in the formula. In this example, we're building a simple formula that references the close date on each opportunity and displays it in a dedicated column. You could expand on this concept with functions to compare dates or add intervals, but for now we'll keep it straightforward and focus on how the feature works. Click Insert to drop the close date field into the formula editor. Before committing, click Validate. This runs a quick syntax check and confirms that your formula can compile. If Salesforce flags anything, review the error message, correct the expression, and validate again. Once validation passes with no errors, click Apply. Salesforce adds your formula as a new column to the report grid so you can see the result for every row. That's it. Your row-level formula is live, calculated per record, and ready to use in your analysis. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.